Hello! I have a Temu haul and a tiny Dollar Tree haul. And I have Victor here to help me. And Mr. Retroth.
Hola.
Hola. A lot of this stuff was, they did a under $1 sale. So a lot of this stuff was under $1, like 50 cents, 80 cents. So I thought, oh, I'll get it. This is a, get it out of here. This is like a scraper for dishes, doing your dishes. See, it's kind of flexible. Or some of the times these are good for taking tags off of stuff too. See? It's kind of good, yeah. So that was El Cheapo. Then they have, I'm not going to take this out. This is a holder for a plastic razor blade and some extra razor blades. Mr. Retros likes these for removing tags too.
Yeah.
You soak a little Goo
That's
Gone.
Yeah, it's like
Goo Gone, and then you can like lift it up with this. So that's pretty good. I mean, it was under $1, so that's awesome. And this is kind of fun. This is a toothpaste tube roller upper. I expect you to use this.
I was just thinking, isn't that funny? I was thinking how kind of dumb those were.
I thought they were always kind of neat. You stick your toothpaste end in there and you roll them up. Awesome. It's nice and neat too. I like that.
Yeah.
So that's nice. And I actually was getting these. I just got these. I use these as shower caps because I have processed hair, so I don't wash it every night. So I use a shower cap when I do take a shower every night. So I just use these as shower caps, and I wash them every night. Well, these actually are pretty good, and they're bigger and easier to put on and take off than a plastic. Plastic shower caps, I don't like them. Don't like them, I tell you. I don't like them.
What about rain bonnets?
Rainbow. I found so many rain bonnets in this house.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't know rain bonnet. I got this pin for my jacket. I think it's sort of a, who's doing the bears? Ralph Lauren does them, and I think Hermes does some bears. So, and it's got a little pin on it, so I can pin it on my jacket. So I think he's really cute. He's got a nice face. Right, Victor? Oh, you'd like to have that. I love it. I want it. I'm going to bite his ears. Okay, don't bite that pin, though. Okay. And what else? Oh.
No.
This is a thing.
Okay.
Okay, it's turning into a thing. No, okay, never mind now. I created a monster. This is a thing that you put on top of your can of whatever, and you strain it. Nobody can see. Like I give them yams in their breakfast in the morning, and then you can strain it. You put this on top of the jar, and you turn your jar over, and then the liquid drains out through there. So it's, it's silicone. I thought it was pretty good. Or it could be a nice little hat for this dog. Yeah. You'll probably want that too. And oh, these are kind of neat. You know, I've seen these things on Temu, and I wondered, how does that make into a? These are for covering your leftovers. Let me see. It starts out like this. See that?
What is it?
It's a thing. Or it could be a shower cap. It starts out like that. And you pull on it, and it opens up like this. For covering your bowl or whatever you want to put in the fridge. Yeah. That's kind of neat. And they were under $1, and I got a whole bunch of them. So, and then when you use your stuff, dump them. That's kind of nice. And pink one of these. These are only $1 something, I think. This is the pink one. You like it?
Nice.
I love it. It's soft and pink.
Really nice.
And then this. Oh, this is a sachet for your closet. I have one closet that smells funny. I don't know what it is. It's just a jasmine sachet and you just hang it. That one, then this one smells funny too. I don't know what it is. And this is a hair clip. He'll probably want this too. He wants that bear. He can't have that bear. Anything plush, he wants it. Oh, that's mine. It's a little... Here, oh, see, he's going over there and looking for it. He's smart. It's just a clip. Pull your hair. You like it? Oh, yeah, he wants that too. Okay, yeah, sorry.
Here he comes.
Here he comes. Oh, I know if I'm going to get it.
See, I told you not to.
I told you couldn't have it. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? I can tell. And I got this hair clip. That looks like a cigarette. It's kind of funny.
Victor, no.
It's got a little.
Okay,
Or maybe
he's
it could be.
got
Hey, I'm thinking this did. Like this. So I thought that was kind of funny too.
Victor,
Should put some red glitter on the end. And he's gonna steal those plastic bags now. He wants everything. Somebody has spoiled that little dog. And then I got this. This was actually $5. But somebody 3D printed this.
Oh, wow.
And it's all jointed. See that? He's all jointed. They have skeletons, they have aliens. And they used this really neat, so you can see where it was on the bed. The 3D printer bed. Yeah, the side was separate. But I thought it was kind of cool. And let's see. I got it to stand up. Yeah, I did get it to stand up earlier. Because now it won't want to do it. He was standing. Come on now. Alright, come on. The scythe helps him stand. The skeletons they have, I don't see how they could stand. They show them all flopped over. There it is. Oops. Come on now. There. Almost. I'll lean him against there. Merry Christmas. There. Alright, there he is. So he's kind of cute. And then I'm starting to decorate for Halloween. This is I like this thing. This is the back. I just have this in this Weller bowl. And this is the haunted house that I got from Dollar Tree. I think it was at $5. Yeah. And I airbrushed it. I think I showed it before. And I just stuck it in here. And it's on this turning table for my centerpiece. I think that's plenty good. And then at Dollar Tree, I'm going to do my china cabinet. And I want to put some plates in the background along the wall inside my china cabinet. So I got me some decoupage or Mad Podge and some napkins. Napkins to decoupage. And I got some plastic. You know, you go there all the time and they have white plates up the yin yang. Then when I go looking for porcelain white plates, nothing. Nothing. So they did have these party plates. So I might do some of these. These are just like a salad size. And then they didn't have any big ones in plastic. So I got these. These are just their dinner plates. It's some kind of gray. They're Norfolk. What's it called? Royal Norfolk is their Dollar Tree brand. So I got 4 of these. So I'm going to try and decoupage this motif on there. And they're just for background. Maybe, if they turn out. If they're no good, they're not going to come out. So I think that's all I got. You got anything, Mr. Retros?
No.
A cigarette? No? I'm teaching him to smoke. Look at that. See? It'll make you look cool.
You
see?
look cool.
Okay, I'll see you later. Bye bye.
All right.